Hello everyone, friends. You're on the Velour channel. Today, I'll show you what to do if the share your location feature isn't working on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, go to your account, go to find my, and here you'll see this slider that needs to be on. And these three sliders also need to be enabled for it to work properly. Now if that didn't help, then go down to screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions. And here there's location services, and it should be enabled just like mine. If that also didn't help, then go to privacy and security. Here go to location services, and it should also be enabled like mine. Now if you have all this turned on and it's still not working, I mean the feature isn't doing what it should, it's not working, then you need to restart your phone. To do this, press the volume button and the power button. Turn off and restart your phone. This was Velour. Bye everyone.